Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a photo or video from the Instagram story. Okay, let's get started. First, open the Instagram and go to your story by tapping your story at the top of it over here. Okay, and then you can tap three dots or more menu in the bottom right of the photo or video that you like to delete, and then tap delete. After this, you can choose the two of the option to delete, and you just click one of the option for delete the story permanently and confirm the delete menu. Okay, that's the tutorial how to delete a photo or video from your Instagram. I hope you enjoy to watching this video, and if you like the video, you can press like, share, comment, and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.